Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive, and today we're going to take a look at a GMC Terrain. We're going to start right away up front where you have factory fog lamps and a nice chrome grille. A look down the passenger side. You have alloy wheels. Those are wrapped with Firestone tires. Inside, cloth interior. Seats are clean all the way throughout. One more look down the passenger side. Then we're going to swing around to the back end. You have a rear backup camera here on the back. Taking a look inside of the hatch. There's a 60-40 split on the back seats, so you can fold those down. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used car dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Audio controls are here. Taking a look inside. You have your cruise, audio, and Bluetooth mounted to the steering wheel. Full touch screen that includes your stereo. Climate control and your automatic transmission is here. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this Terrain on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. All at holidayautomotive.com.